In front of me is Motorola E40, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, open your phone dialer. If you are not in contact, smoothly switch to this panel and mark the contact that you would like to add profile picture to. Now click on Edit, click on Add Photo, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick a picture. Okay, so it's actually just a blank picture, so maybe from screenshots. Let's grab, for example, this one. Now you can smoothly customize it. You can also rotate the picture and tap on Save. Click on Save again, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this picture is assigned to picked contact. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.